In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make free light icons in your WordPress website by using Elementor. And for this, you don't have to buy any paid icons or don't even need to install any extra plugins. All of this we can create for free. We all know this light icon looks much better than the default bold icons, and it gives much more professional look to your page design. So without further ado, let's see how can we make that. Okay, in this page we have created some icons, and here this one is an icon widget. So to make it a light icon, we need to just go to this advanced tab, and here in this custom CSS we need to write some code. And we all know to get this custom CSS feature you have to have the Elementor Pro. So if you didn't have Elementor Pro, we can quickly get this from my link on the description. So let's paste our code to here, and you can see this bold icon has now become a light icon. And here you would also don't need to worry about this code snippet. I will give all of this to my website and also give the code snippet link to my description. So from here you just need to copy and paste this code. Now here if you look at this portion of this code, so from here you can also change the stroke width of this icon. So instead of 2 pixels, if we make it like 5 pixels, now it seems much bold. Okay. And here, not only for this icon, you can apply this stroke with any kind of icon. So from here you can choose any icon. Here are over 1500 icons. You can choose any icon from here. So let's search for another star icon, this one. Okay, and this stroke will also apply for this icon. And here from this style tab, you can also change the other settings like the color, size or the rotate. So I want to make its color to this red color. Okay. So here this stroke is not only applied for this icon widget, we can also apply this for an icon box widget. If we go again its custom CSS and paste the exact same code, we can see this will be also applied for this icon box widget. And not only that, we can even use it for an icon list widget. So here if we paste the same code snippet, we can see the same effect here. But here for this small icon, I think we need to reduce the stroke, give it to 1 pixel. Okay. But for this kind of small icon, if you don't want to apply this stroke, you can also remove this code. And then lastly, I want to show you another thing. So let's go to this icon box widget, and here if we select another icon, this one, and you can see this kind of icon is already a thin icon, and if we apply our stroke with this icon, okay, you can see instead of looking it better, it's not looking that good. Or here if we want to choose another type of icon like this one, which looks already a busy icon, okay, you can see for this kind of icon it not looks very well with this kind of stroke. So you also need to keep that in mind when to apply this stroke. For this icon, if we remove this stroke, now we can see it looks much better. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.